Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a TradingView widget in 2026. Now guys, if you are interested in TradingView subscription, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday deal in the description. In this deal, you are going to get the subscriptions of TradingView at 80% off. Plus, on all of the subscriptions, you will get 1 month absolutely for free. So here, in order to add the TradingView widget, you will have to come here on tradingview.com first, then simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here on this page, simply hover over to the more section. Here you will see the option of for businesses. When you hover over to it, you will find the option of all widgets. So when you click on the option of all widgets, you will be taken here where you just have to scroll down and it is going to show you a bunch of different charts layouts. So we have the advanced chart, then we have the symbol overview, then we have the mini chart. So you can click on any one of these. So let's say you want to add the advanced chart, so click on the option of get widget. Now over here it is going to show you the advanced real-time chart that is going to look something like this. Over here, with the help of this particular chart, you can just view it in the desktop mode, then in the tab mode or in the mobile mode. So over here, this chart is available. You can just scroll down and you can just copy this particular code from here. Then you can paste this code on any of your websites. You can also make changes into this particular code with the help of the settings that are given over here. So you can choose the one that you want, like you can add the watch list, you can add the symbols, you can add the indicators here in this particular chart. Then whenever you change any kind of settings, make sure that you apply the changes. Or if for any reason you want to basically reset it to the default settings, you can click on the option of reset. So basically from here you will have to embed this code on your website and you will get the TradingView widget on any of your websites. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more TradingView tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching.